Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create flip spoke in Elementor, but this feature only for Elementor Pro and it's easy to do it. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, for first time, we can type flipbox, spoke, click here, and then you can scroll down, click setting, you can select flip effect, flip or slide, push, zoom in or zoom out or fade, but I select flip like this, and then select front, delete icon, delete title, and delete description, and you can go to style and choose classic, background classic, choose image, select image. You can upload image, but I have upload, select, and then scroll down, position, center, repeat, no repeat, and display size cover like this, and then go to background type, click color, and adjust color like this or like this, and you can scroll down, title, text color for title, you can adjust maybe white like this, and then you can publish like this, or you can go to content and scroll down, setting, you can enable 3D depth like this, for the ratio like this, like 3D, you can publish, and look like 3D. Okay, it's so easy.
Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.